Hey everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to be making some bird feeder to go in my bird feeders. And at the end of last season, I found out the bird feeder that you buy at the stores with the red dye is not good for the hummingbirds. The red dye in that feeder is harming them. So we're making our own. I have made a little bit last year. I think I have one left out there with some red in it that I'm changing out. But before we get started, I had taken down some that I had from last year, and I just left them out. I shouldn't have, but they got a little bit of mold in them. So what I did, I bought this little kit from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's got a little brush in it, and it's got some replacement little flowers. And then it's got these little bitty brushes that you can clean down in them. And I had popped some of these off, and I don't know that you can tell it on camera. You might can, just a little bit right there. See how it's got a little black? So actually these will fit down in there, and you can clean them and see the black's coming out. So I'll wash them. But what I did just for a quick fix, I just replaced them real quick, and then I'll wash those and clean them. But I had to clean the insides of here because you'll know if you get a bottle of water and you just sit it there for a few days, it starts getting slimy. Well, you can feel in there and it was slimy. So this has got the perfect little brush that you can push down in there. And actually, I can get all the way to the bottom. So a good little kit there that I like. So let's make some feeder. And it's 4 parts water and 1 part sugar. And so I'm going to turn it down. So it's 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. So 1 cup of sugar. One, 2, 3, and 4. Once the air gets out of there, it will clear up. I like to mash mine on down. Squeeze it just a little bit so that the water fills up down here. And just like that, they're ready to go. And we will take them outside. I wanted to show y'all my new hummingbird that my sister Cynthia got me. We call her Cindy for short, but if you see her name anywhere, it's going to say Cynthia. But isn't that beautiful? I can't wait. We're going to go hang them. This is some red bird feeder that I had from last year. And before I found out about the red dye, and so since it was left, I'd already put it in there. I left it, it was the end of the season. But we're gonna take it out. The sugar and water is gonna be more healthy and it's cheaper. I need to clean all this. I'd left them out all winter. I like to shake them and get all the water down in there.